Hello guys, welcome to my channel Sparking Computer, and today's video I will teach you how to boost your computer speed or processor speed and make it faster than before, booting speed and increase your virtual RAM. So before we started our video, uh, please like and subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon. So let's begin the video. So first you need to press Windows R and type in temp. Uh, Here must be more than files. Control A and delete these all files because uh, it was temp files. If something was not deleting, skip it because it was running on the background of your computer. uh, then again press Windows R key and now type in temp %temp%. Then click Windows Control A and delete these all as well as if something was not deleting, then skip it and cross this. After deleting it, it will remove your all temp your from computer, and after this all uh, right click on recycle bin and empty it. Now go open your explorer, go to this PC. After going this PC, right click on Windows Drive, go on properties. uh, it will take some time to open, and here is it. uh, After going on it, uh, as here you can see this cleanup, click on this button. It takes some time. Now you can see here the this cleanup appear. It will automatically detect the temp file and another unwanted updates from your computer. After this appear, you can see here also cleanup system file. Go click as well as here. It will also detect will redetect Windows system unwanted file, temp file, Windows unwanted update, or something else. It will detect all of those files and appear with all those files. As you can see, it was calculating and detecting all device driver packages or something else. It will takes a little more time, so let him take. uh, As you can see, it was scanning Windows update cleanup. It will also detect the unwanted update, which was having a large amount of space in your disk. It will detect all of the uh, unwanted things or files and clean up all those files and free up your disk. It will help you to give you more space and help in your increase your Windows or disk speed faster. It takes some time. As you can see here, my it detect thumbnails, temporary files, recycle bins, device driver packages, delivery optimization file, DirectX, header kit, download program files, all of those files. After it, click on OK. It will give you a pop-up to delete this file. Simply, it was not dangerous. Click on delete files. It will delete all those files uh, in some time. It will cleaning as well as now it's done. After it done, now go to your battery setting and click on power option. After clicking on power option, you can see to both plan. Your plan was basically on basic plan. You will simply click on high performance and it will increase your speed and take more power than before. Uh, it will give more energy to processor and RAM to make it happen fastest and process fast. After these all, click on Windows R, type ms config, and the Windows will appear something like this, mm, like this. After opening this, you simply go to boot option and then advanced options. This mark will uncheck was unchecked in your computer, then check it. It's simply like this, and you will go to and check it, and your processor number of processor was one. You will like your maximum number of processor and click on OK. It will increase your boot speed and use the more processor to work on your booting system and boot your computer or laptop fast. After this, go on task manager, go to startup and disable all of these things. When you was starting your booting your computer, these all program automatically start when computer boot up. So if you disable these all programs, your computer booting speed or BIOS time will decreases and your computer boot faster than before and its speed also increases as well as. So this is the today's tutors. It will help you to increase your computer speed and booting speed and as well as your virtual RAM. So if you want to increase virtual RAM, go to this PC Go properties. Go to advanced system settings. These uh, windows appear. Go to performance and click this adjust for best performance. If you like it, it will uh, decrease your animations from your computer and texture quality, but it will increase your speed and computer booting speed or your working or processor speed. Now go to this advanced tab and as you can see virtual RAM, here go and change it. Your normally it was on automatically like this. You want to go and uncheck it, and this was on this point. You want to go to custom size, and you how to change this custom. So change before changing it, you want to need to know your Windows RAM. How much RAM is your computer having? My computer is having 8 GB of RAM, so I will double up of here, as you can see 16 GB, and set. After setting it, it will need and restart of your computer. So restart it, and you can see uh, and the speed you can see that your computer is faster than before and your computer speeds were increasing or boost. So this is today's uh, te- educational or tech. This is today's video in which I will show you that how to boost your computer or speed. So thanks for watching. I hope that you will like this video and it will help you much. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe my channel.